Hello guys, welcome back to Whichever Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Windows 10 start menu is not working after update and how we can completely fix it. So let's get started. We have two solutions, and the first one is you just have to restart your Windows Explorer, and to do this you just have to click over here, right click and go to Task Manager. From here you just have to scroll down, keep scrolling down, and you have to navigate to or find File Explorer. You have to select Windows Explorer, right click on this and go for restart. Okay, now most probably the issue will be completely fixed. You have to do a restart and see whether the issue is solved or not, and if it's not working then we have solution 2. Solution 2 is all about modifying the registry editory. So in order to do that you just have to press Windows and R key all together in order to get a shortcut of run command, or else you can search here for run command. Both is fine. Now from here you have to give a command, which is here you have to give a command regedit and press OK. Go for yes. And from here, as you can see that I have opened this recently for another testing purpose, so I'll be closing this up. So usually this will be like this. Okay, you'll be having 4 options at the top, 4 to 5 options at the top. Now from here you have to select HKey local machine, and from here you have to select system. You have to select system and you have to expand this. So after from system you have to select this and expand this. And now what you have to do is you just have to select current control set. You have to select this and expand this. Now from here what you have to do is you just have to select service and you have to expand this. Now what you have to do is you just have to keep navigate to VPN service. You have to keep navigate to VPN service. So as you can see that you have to navigate to VPN service over here. So okay, now we got VPN service over here. Now you just have to select this and move to start and right click, and as you can see that you have to make sure the value data is 2. If you're having error, then most probably the value is 0. So it is very important. So if the value is 0 or 1, you have to change to 2. 2 in the sense, as you can see that right now it is 2 because I'm not having any issue, but those who are having issue will be having a value of 0 or 1. So you have to change the value to 2, make sure it is 2 and go for OK. Now you just have to close this and you have to do a restart, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed and you will be able to fix. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.